Xavier Lucero, Magnolia bound na. In exchange for both Gio Halalon and Abu Trotter. So, bale, si Xavier Lucero pupunta na ng Magnolia. In the other hands, both Halalon and Trotter will be going to Northport. So, we are back again, guys, with another video. And today's video, papag-usapan natin yung trade na involving both Lucero from formerly Northport, nasa Magnolia na, and Halalon and Abu Trotter kung saan nasa Northport na sila. Naging maganda ba yung trade na to? Was it worth it ba? After like almost 8 years, I believe 8 years si Gio Halalon sa Magnolia, papunta na siya sa Northport. Ending his 8-year stint with Magnolia, maganda ba yon? Or like, is it a W or an L? A win or lose situation? So, yun ang papag-usapan natin for today's video. So, hope you guys enjoy and abangan.
During last season, while he was still in Northport, Xavier Lucero averaged 11.6 points per game, 5.4 rebounds per game, 2.1 assists per game, 1.2 steals per game, while averaging 26.5 minutes per game and playing 11 games. On the other hand, for Abu Trotter, while still with Magnolia last season, he averaged 4.5 points per game, 3 rebounds per game, 0.5 assists per game, 0.3 steals per game, while averaging 14.7 minutes per game and playing 11 games. Oh, by the way, pandagdag lang, I actually met Abu Trotter back in 2023 while he was playing. Nasa Converge pa siya niyan. He's a very nice guy, kung tutusin. Very nice, very easy to approach. He gladly took the picture with me. Napakabait niya, kung tutusin. And you know, he can bond with you and have the same vibes with him. And nothing can go wrong. He's actually a great person pag kakausapin mo siya. And you know, he can take the picture with you without feeling uncomfortable or anything. He feels comfortable like when fans take pictures with him. Now, after spending almost 8 seasons with Magnolia, Gio Halalon will now be in Northport. After last season, he averaged 7.9 points per game, 4.8 rebounds per game, 4.4 assists per game, 1.8 steals per game, averaging 23.2 minutes per game and playing 9 games with the team.
Para sa akin, it's an okay deal naman between Northport and Magnolia. It's an okay and fair deal. However, medyo parang nawala yung loyalty. Nawala naman talaga yung loyalty ni Gio Halalon sa Magnolia. Well, hindi naman natin masisisi kung lilipat yung player sa ibang team. Either kagustuhan nila or by management na talaga. By management na talaga. Because, you know, cha-ching money, medyo lugi din sila doon and they want to expand the global market din. So, medyo okay naman yung deal nila. Lalakas din yung Northport offensively and defensively with Abu Trotter's rebounding and Gio Halalon's point guard skills. Same goes with Northport. Both teams will still be playoff contenders din. I believe makakapasok naman sila sa semifinals, not in the finals though, kasi medyo mahirapan sila kasi alam nyo na, nandun naman yung Inebra, nandun yung San Miguel, so yeah, okay naman yung deal para sa akin and best of luck with the players. Kayo, sa tingin niyo, naging maganda ba yung trade involving Magnolia and Northport? Sino kaya mag-benefit sa trade na to? Northport ba o Magnolia? Will their careers still be intact? Leave your opinions and comments in the comment section down below. That will be very much appreciated. But yun na muna para sa akin. Hope you guys enjoy kasi bago-basketball pa na ako. Gusto ko magpapapawis. Hope you guys enjoy. Keep safe lagi. And once again, thank you guys for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.